Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Smartsheet to Power BI. All right. So first up, make sure that you have the Power BI desktop version. This one. If you don't have it, just go to your Microsoft Store or just go ahead and look it up online and I'll look for Power BI. All right. This one. Just click on it, hit on install, and once done, open it up. And then in here, just go ahead and find the option to get data from another source. Okay. Click on it. Or if you can't find it, you can go to the top left, click on get data. All right. And in here, just go ahead and find more. Click on more. As you can see, we have the same set of page. Okay. In the search bar, just find Smartsheet. There you go. Click on Smartsheet and hit on connect. Now that'll be a prompt right here. Just go ahead and hit on continue. Wait for it. Now it's going to ask for the region. Don't worry about this one. As you can see here, it only got two options. This is basically just the server where you wanted to connect to. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and select US right here. Hit on OK. Wait for it. And in here, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Smartsheet account. Just click on sign in. Wait for this pop-up. And then once done, sign in with your Smartsheet account. All right. Wait for it. And then once done, just hit on allow. There you go. Hit on connect. Wait for it. As you can see here I have my worksheet data connected to Power BI. Okay. Here I have my sample workspace. There you go. Here we have the sample sheet. There you go. Now, if you want to load something, just double click on it or tick on the checkbox and then hit on load. Wait for it. And there you have it. Here you have your data. All you need to do next is just add in some visuals. Okay. That is how you connect Smartsheet to Power BI. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.